Bro, you know how we were talking about going to South America?
Yeah, bro.
So my friend from Brazil said to check out this music video.
Oh, for sure. Let's check it out. What's it called?
It's called Vai Malandra. Bro, I know, man. Let's book these tickets.
I'm already ahead of you. Next stop, Rio.
Here in LAX.
We got flight number 1 down. We have a 7-hour flight to Bogota with a 16-hour layover.
Off to Rio from there. Long ways to go.
Long ways to go, but it's gonna be insane. Carnaval.
When you get the whole road to yourself.
Grab some breakfast. What is our Uber driver's name?
Miguel.
Las ellas de Bogotá es muy bonita.
¿Es que?
¿Las chicas?
Sí, mejor en la costa.
¿Así mejor?
Sí, como trigueñita, como morenita. Acá en Bogotá son muy blancas.
¿Así?
En Medellín.
Uy, mejor. Y Cali. La iglesia de Lourdes.
Amigos nuevos.
¿Cómo están? Mucho gusto. Buenos días. Buenos días, Cecilia.
Iban para pronto la tienda Camacho.
Por favor, bienvenidos todos.
Gracias.
Para el día de hoy hay este especial. Es súper. Viene con arepita al horno, huevo revuelto sobre barriga.
Okay.
Uber driver just took us. We were going to a cafe to get some breakfast, and his wife happened to work at the same brand or company of cafe just down the street. So he took us here. People in Colombia already. Oh, you're not supposed to do that. I forgot. This is
in Brazil though.
but probably the same. But
Very nice.
It's very nice. I like it. Get it off. Use the knife. This might be the best croissant I've ever had. $6 for all of this. Rice, beans, pork. Looks amazing. Apparently, you have to buy toilet paper in Colombia. So, we are thinking, actually highly considering, buying a movie ticket so that we can sleep in the movie theater for 2 hours.
Because we're so sleep deprived.
It is 11 o'clock right now and we have to be back at the airport at like 5. We've got 6 hours left. We're trying to figure it out. Catch this flight to Rio. tried to exchange some money, and I never exchanged money at airports, but we were advised to do so here in Brazil. We gave them like $110. We were supposed to get 414 back. They were gonna give us 294, so we were gonna lose 25% of our money with the exchange. So we literally made them cancel it and took our money back, and they were pissed. But we were not about to get effed over at the beginning of this trip.
Yeah, that's like $30 US. Goes a long way here.
Welcome to Rio, though. It's hot as hell. I cannot wait to get off this thing.
Here we go.
After 48 hours of travel with some buses and cars and Ubers, that was a 2.5 hour
Bus ride.
and we are here.
That took us just from one end of the city to the other.
We are in Ipanema now.
And that bus was probably 90 degrees.
The bus was hotter
Yeah.
than it is out here.
Solid 90 degrees here and 100% humidity. It's my estimate.
It said 100% humidity.
Yeah.
It's hot as hell.
It couldn't be any more humid.
In the Airbnb, it's hot as hell. We're hoping nothing gets stolen. Every Brazilian we talk to tries to scare us out of bringing anything to the beach or in the public, so we're literally bringing nothing. Day one in Rio in the books.
We arrived at 5 a.m.
Had
About
nowhere
5.
to go.
We couldn't check into the Airbnb until noon.
We took a bus that was supposed to be 1 hour, and due to some lovely Rio de Janeiro traffic, it was 3 hours. We got to explore a little bit today, found out we're staying near the favelas.
Yeah, it was a nice surprise. We were walking, trying to find our apartment, and we went to the wrong building. We were just like 1 block off, and it was the entrance to the favelas.
Yeah, nice
And
little
if you don't know what that
surprise.
means, that's like the slums in the hills.
We were told food was super cheap here. Food was actually, in the
Really?
grocery store, a lot of the food items were more expensive than in the US. It's humid as hell. It was a massive storm. We're ready to catch up on some sleep and start fresh tomorrow, even though there's thunderstorms the rest of the week and into next week.
Some beach weather, hopefully.
And more importantly, Carnaval. And that is it for the
For
first
day one.
For the transportation and day one in Rio de Janeiro. Episode 1 underway. We'll see you in episode 2.